Oh, Jamie, you making pizza? Wow, looking so yummy. And oh, you have two customers. You have Cookie as your customer. You have Biscuit as your customer. Wow, can you give one pizza to Cookie? Cookie want to eat pizza? Oh, yum yum, Cookie. Yum 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 yum. Wow, looking so yummy. How about Biscuit? Biscuit, would you like to get some pizza too? Can you give a Biscuit a piece of pizza, please? Okay. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, Biscuit, would you like to eat a pizza too? Wow. Good job. You love cooking biscuits, right? Yum 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 yum. Oh, biscuits say so tasty. Cookie, Jamie. Thank you, Chef Cookie. Oh, Chef Jamie. You're so cute.